let's begin trying to figure out how to get a music player from Bandcamp onto our website. So first step first, you got to figure out what band is going to actually be on your site. Here's an album from a few friends of mine. All right, first step, you probably recognize this sort of feature by now. We have the share/embed tag. So first step first is you got to click on that. You're going to see some familiar things. When you click on the share/embed, you'll see options for social media like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, etc. But you'll also see the option to embed this album. So I'm going to click on that because that's what I really want to do. The first thing that I have to do from there is I have to select a style to work with. So I'm going to pick this one on the left and see what happens. Great. All right. So you can see on the right we have the preview of your player. And then we also have on the left different options for us to work with. So let's focus on this standard one since we're there. So let's see if our options for our layout. We have the option to show the artwork and whether it's big. And then see what small does. Oh, and here's the option for when it's small. We also have the option whether or not we want the track list to show, meaning do we want to see all of the songs on the album. I'm kind of into this. I like how this looks. All right. But let's see what our other options are. We can also click on this one. It says artwork only. Great. So from there you can see all we see is the square of the album. And then when we hover over it, we see the name of the track, the name of the band, whether we wanted to download or share it some more, etc. And then when I hover away, it disappears. Another option that we have is whether it could look like slim. What does this slim option, what does that even mean? Oh, okay. So the slim option is this super skinny type of player. And we have the option of whether or not we want to show the album artwork. So I'm going to turn the show album artwork off. Great. Cool. All right. So personally, I liked one of the first things that we did. I liked the picture being small. I like being able to see the track list, so that's what I'm going to keep it as. And then here you'll also see we have more options. So similar to how we were editing our videos and the size of the videos, we can customize the width and the height. So I remember, hold up, I'm going to go back to our code right now. And what I can see is that the width and height was 640 by 360, and that's the height that we used from our video from YouTube as well as our video from Vimeo. So what I'm going to do for my consistency is I'm going to adjust the width to 640. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. I'm going to type in 640 and let's see. Great. Now we can see that the player from our Bandcamp album is the same width as the video players from YouTube and Vimeo. We can also see that the height adjusted. Similar to Vimeo, Bandcamp gives us some options. So I'm going to just click around and we can see things. See what happens. So if I click on black, oh, the player gets a little dark. We also have the option to change the color of the links. It's orange, green, purple. Well, let's see. I can either pick the color of the links to match something on my website, or I can just try to match it to the album. So I think I really like this orange. All right, let's do this. Oh, and look, Bandcamp even says, all done customizing your player? Copy the embed code above and you're good to go. So I think I'm good to go. I'm going to click. I'm going to copy. Look. They even try to help you out. It tells you to copy and paste this code. So yeah, I'm going to copy. I'm going to go to my web page. I'm going to scroll down. And music from Bandcamp, I think I'm going to hit a line, hit return. Command V to paste it. And let's check it in full view. Great. So now we can see all of our work. So for things that we embedded today, we embedded a video from YouTube. We embedded a video from Vimeo. And does the player from Bandcamp work? It's working! Awesome! Cool. I'm gonna pause it. Alright guys, we did it! So today we did a really great job learning how to embed media onto our web pages.